Hello everyone, I'm James and you're watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel, and it has the screws hidden under this rubber base. So for that we have to remove this rubber base. Simply like this.
24.5 degrees Celsius.
There is a notch here, and under this notch there is a screw. See that you will not keep this rubber base upside down on the table. Keep it bottom side up so that the dust will not get fixed to the adhesive. Remove these screws here. I'm showing it to you. This one has already broken. The hinges underneath is broken. It doesn't come out. Now this hinges is broken here, so let me hold it tightly and then open it. Hope there is no screw here. After removing this bottom cover, it's tight. As you see, the hard disk is falling down. Just keep the bottom cover aside. After removing the bottom cover, as we can see, there is an extra slot for M2 or NVMe SSD here. So take the new SSD. This is the manual for that. If there is a screw here, just remove that screw. As there is no screw on this laptop, so what I'll do, I'll fix the screw provided with the SSD itself. Insert it in this way. Here there is a notch. Take the screw. Okay. Now fix the back cover. So now we'll fix the bottom cover. Just press all the surrounding and fasten the screws. After installing the SSD, that is hardware part, is completed, then select the link I have given in the description below and download this software. It is a reflect_setup 64-bit software. Here you can see this one, it's a reflect. Here this is also a reflect DLHF, but this one is a downloader and it is not a offline installer. This one is a full software. Just double click on this. Just a minute. Okay, now here it will ask Do you want to allow this? Yes. Next. Just go on clicking on next, just read it once and click on next. I accept the terms and conditions. If you want, you can read the whole terms conditions. I'm using it for personal use, so this software is being installed for personal use. Yes. Install. Yes. Next. Install. Let's wait for the completion of installation. Make sure that the laptop is connected to the power inlet. Now it was checked on the launch me, so now the software will open by itself. Here we can see this is the new SSD we have installed. These are the old partitions that shows partition from the old hard disk drive, HDD. Here click on the primary C primary. Here I'll show you your Windows is installed in here. You see this is the C drive and Windows is installed in this C drive, so we need to select the same drive. This one is of 442.18 GB. This is the C drive which we need to clone. Here click on clone this disk. Select a disk to clone to. So here I need to select the disk on which I need to clone the C drive. Here disk 1. Okay, this is the disk I want to clone to. That is 465.76 GB, that is 500 GB SSD. Now into clinic, next, and we can schedule the tasks. There is nothing to do here. Now we need to click on finish. So run this backup now. What do you want to do now? Save and my clone. Enter a name for this backup definition. The saved backup definition. Okay. Okay, now the cloning has started. Let's wait, as it will take time. Let's wait for it to complete. Here we have some tasks that can be done when the cloning is complete. Here you can see shutdown, hibernate, suspend or reboot. Now I have set it to not set, so I will wait for it to complete. Now the process has started. There will be many processes to be done, so it will continue step by step. I don't have to do anything else here. All I need to do is just sit calmly and watch for it to complete. Now it has reached 22%, so we will have to still wait for it to complete. Now it has reached to 62% overall progress. Now it is a total overall progress is at 99%. So the overall progress has completed. It shows 100%, but the current progress is at 98. So let's wait for it to complete. As the cloning is complete, let's restart and check. So right click on this PC, select manage, then we will select power disk management. Yes, see disk management. Okay, now you can see here the image cloning is successful. The OS is running from SSD, that is 465 GB, 0.76 GB SSD. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in installing a new SSD on your HP G7 laptop, 14-inch laptop. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.